Anti-snoring pillows help you and your partner get the much needed and well-deserved sleep you've been craving. I know one time I asked my partner to wake up and turn over because the snoring was keeping me awake. Position matters, doesn't it? It's not all about the size. That's why these anti-snoring pillows help. I've just written a new post on my site about it. Go check it out and be sure and leave any questions you have there too. All you have to do is click the link in the description below and you'll be taken right to it. Thanks. Also, for other health-related information, be sure and check out the rest of the site. I have all kinds of information about health news. There's health articles on everything from, how to take care of your hair and your skin, all the way down to all kinds of stuff that you may be interested in. Snoring in particular, getting rest, sleep apnea. There's all kinds of information that you can grab while you're there. Be sure and check it out. Also, visit us on Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus, and obviously on YouTube. Since you saw this video, we're on YouTube. We've got a lot to offer and a lot of information. My name is Carrie Poole, and I really appreciate the opportunity to meet you if this is your first time meeting me. So you guys take care. Bye.